That's the South County. The shit has hit the fan right here in Ruskin, Florida. Oh my goodness, we're experiencing gale force winds, small hail. There's all kinds of madness and mayhem erupting. I'm on the front porch. The only thing that's shielding me from this severe weather is this rooftop here. Oh my goodness. It's coming down crazy. Woo! No doubt about it, the winds are gale force winds, I'm telling you. I'm crouching down so that they don't blow me over. Look at the effects that they're having on the trees. Trees don't shake like that in a calm wind. I tell you what. Total mayhem and anarchy. Mother Nature at its fullest potential, showing the world it doesn't give a fuck about your umbrella. It doesn't care about your raincoat. It will drop the hammer on you. Reporting live from Ruskin, Florida. It's Jesse Tampa Productions 2012. Shit just got serious, y'all. I knew that was in the store for us. Woo! Mother Nature is an untamed force that cannot be reckoned with by the human constructs of control. We'd like to think that we maintain diplomacy and democracy and dominion over this world, but when Mother Nature hits, it's a weather phenomenon that cannot be controlled. Not by man nor beast. When the heavens open their gates and the water just pours down, the effects can be catastrophic. Leaving flooding and dismal abyss in their wake.